Hi everybody, welcome back to another Where's the Gum box break. This one's for 2011 certified. It's currently 11:11 p.m. on Wednesday, May 2nd. And here's our buyer list and our tiebreaker order list. Alright. Go ahead and get started here. This unfortunately looks like it's going to be one of my last box breaks. eBay has informed me that box breaks are chance auctions and are not allowed. I thought that as long as I was guaranteeing everyone someone, they were, but so I guess, and they're not allowing me to post anything any longer that has box break or the words box and break in the title. So looks like I'm gonna stop doing these, at least for now. I might try to get a website up and going to do them on, but I have a couple of boxes left that I'll open up and post some of those cards on eBay, so be sure to look for those in the next few days to a week. Alright, the first hit here is Nathan Enderle for the Bears, number to 999. Yep. There we go. I guess that's not the first hit, but the first non-regular card. But I also have a case of triple threads that's just coming in, so I'll be in tomorrow. Got a hit in this one, so we'll get these back cards out of the way. I also have a Julio Jones numbered to 999 here, and the first hit is going to be a Bilal Powell rookie fabric of the game. Bilal Powell for the Jets, numbered, that last one, 250 out of 250. There we go, Bilal Powell rookie fabric of the game. I do have a case of triple threads that I might be doing a case break on. If you're interested in a case break, let me know. Send me a message either on eBay or to where'sthegum@gmail.com and let me know about that. Also, let me know if you would be interested in, if you prefer random or where you pick your team and every team has a different dollar amount on it. And or let me know if you'd be interested in either one. And if I have enough interest in that, I'll do that case break. I'm not sure what the prices would be yet. That would determine whether it was based on whether it was random or by team. There's a Rodney Hudson for the Chiefs. Another rookie for the Bears, Gabe Carmini, numbered to 999. Alright, this one feels thick. Might have our second hit in here. Patriots base, no Sean Moreno. Back here we have a Steve Smith and a Dwight Freeney. And then we have another hit here. It's going to be a freshman fabric Christian Ponder with a huge swatch there. Jersey. Nice hit for the Vikings. It was number 10 out of 50. Pretty good hit there, Christian Ponder. Huge Georgia Swat. Almost looks blue here on the camera. It's actually purple. I guess it looks a little bit more purple that way. But I don't know, maybe when it translates to the computer it'll look more purple than blue. Alright. Stephen Tulloch for the Lions. Troy Polamalu. Here's a Clyde Gates for the Dolphins. Base or filler card. A couple more base. Just looking for 2 more hits. Tim Hightower, Matt Schaub, Steve Smith, red parallel to 250, and a couple more base. We got 2 packs left. Should have a hit in each pack. Mike Williams, Michael Vick, Steven Jackson, and Grisham, Moki for the Chiefs, and whoa, Christian Ponder for the Vikings, numbered 249 out of 299. So wow, look at that. 2 Christian Ponders, trying to get them both in here. 1 auto. And our last pack should have 1 more hit in it. Brandon Marshall, and it's going to be a Tandon Doss of the Ravens autograph. And this one is numbered 4 out of 25. So Tandon Doss, number 4 out of 25. Tom Brady. Alright. So a quick recap. Oh, I think I accidentally buried the first hit in here. Let's see. See if we can uncover Bilal Powell wherever. Where did I put him? Here he is. He got up here with the filler cards, the decoys. So there's the Bilal Powell, numbered to 250. Hope I can get it the right way, to 250. Tandon Doss autograph, numbered to 25. Christian Ponder, numbered to 299. And another Christian Ponder, this one numbered to 50. Alright, thanks for bidding, everybody. Be sure to send me a message if you're interested in that case break. It'll be a 9-box case break of triple threads. 4 hits per box. That'll be 36 hits to go around. Yeah, send me a message if you're interested in that. And thanks for bidding on my auctions the last few days or few months or however long you've been doing it. I appreciate it, and sorry we're not going to be able to keep doing them on eBay, but I'll see if I can get a website going and keep going. All right, thanks.